What's up guys, Jax Does Stuff, back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be just opening 3 packs of Tim Hortons cards, so get right into it. I'm looking for ice gems. Go. Okay, Matthew Barzell. Point leaders, Nathan McKinnon. And a base, Cole Perfetti. John Carlson. Superstar Showcase, Connor McDavid. And a base, Linus Allmark. And last pack. So hard. For some reason, this is so hard to open. Like, I think I got a Markstrom. Yep, that's a Markstrom. A net keeper's Markstrom again. And a base Mitch Marner. And that's it for today's Tim Hortons pack. 3 good cards that we pulled, a double, and that's it. Peace.